Today I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone on Messenger. Quick and easy. So let's get started. First, let's talk about why you want to change your Messenger ringtone. A unique ringtone can help you identify messages right away. Or you might just want something more fun or personal. Whatever your reason, it's super simple to do. Start by opening the Messenger app on your device. Tap on the three horizontal bars and open Settings. Scroll down on Notifications and Sounds. Tap on it to open the notification settings for Messenger. Here you can find various options for notifications like ringtone or notification sounds. Tap on it and you'll see a list of available sounds. Tap on it and you'll browse through the list and tap on any ringtone to preview it. When you found one like, simply select it to set it as your new Messenger ringtone. Once you've chosen your ringtone, just go back to the previous menu. Your selection will be saved automatically, so you're all set. To test it out, ask a friend to send you a message. You should hear your new ringtone play. If you don't, double check your notification settings to ensure everything is correct. And that's it, you've successfully changed your Messenger ringtone.